Hey guys, welcome back to yet another video of Izmec. My name is Rajiv, and in this video I'm going to talk about the handlebar risers I've just installed on my Yamaha XSR. So most of you were asking about this for a week now after I bought this bike, that riding position on this bike is a little lean forward. So what can we do with the handlebar risers? So here I am with the most compatible one I have found till date. It's an angle type, so it keeps the handlebar towards you and it's a direct fit. I'm going to be very transparent with you in this video, that what are the limitations you're going to face and what are the changes you need to do in order to fit this perfectly. So coming to that, riding ergonomics. So now it makes the bike very comfortable, very upright. It was used to upright for shorter people, but longer people may find this bike a little lean forward. So for them the handlebar risers is the way to go. Now it's very much perfect for long rides. Coming to the build quality, it's absolutely amazing build quality for the price it's offered. Coming to the accelerator cable and the wiring cables, the slack is adequate, there is no problem in those, but the clutch cable is falling a little shorter. I have tried to find alternatives for the clutch cable, a little longer one, but I failed to find one because either it's becoming very long or it's not at all on the same fitment. So what I have found the best way to do this is to use a universal type internal cable on the same stock clutch housing. I'll show you everything you need to know in this video. If you still want to buy this, it's a good product and the link will be given in the description. If you want to buy from there, you can do it. It will help the channel to grow even further. If you're new to the channel, consider subscribing. If you found this video helpful, do like and obviously drop a comment and share your thoughts on this. That will help this video to reach more people on the internet. And yeah, let's get started. Thanks for watching. quality seems okayish. Actually, it surpasses my expectation. This is side by side comparison with the Zana handlebar risers. This is for CV200F or 300R or even 200X, and as you can see, the height is almost same. It's a angular type. The hole is slotted so to fit the lower half of the handlebar crown. These aluminum inserts. So why these? Let me explain. The lower half is of 22 millimeter. So if you have the 28 millimeter handle like CV300F, then you have to use this here. If you have 22 millimeter handle like XSR, then you have to use two of this over here, and with that it's a universal handlebar risers.